Hello. I didn't think that this would be the first video on this channel, but that's okay. So we got ourselves a little package that I got some things from the RC Girl, which I'm very excited about. So let's open it up, shall we? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. She wrote a little envelope that has my name on it. I don't know what's inside this. I'll open this up. It's probably just like the receipt or something. Oh my gosh. Got a sticker. Amazing. So cool. And I got, this is her business card. Yep. There she is. I also like how her name is Holly. Or not Holly. How it's Haley. Because mine is Holly. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, and then she just wrote a little note, which is very sweet. But yeah, and so this is what I ordered. I ordered a couple of tools. Let's see. Oh, it's like they're really wrapped well. Oh, here's the first thing I ordered. I got the black version of the, it's like a magnetic tray for screws and things. So that will be really nice. And then, oh yeah, and then here's, I like how these are all in little bags too. That's really professionally done. And here's the, I forget what it was called, but it's, you can measure things, and it's like a plier thing, and it'll do good stuff. Got a reamer and I believe that's a curved scissors. I'm gonna take these out of the bag in a second. I think that's the one. I don't know. I don't really know the terms, but yeah. And then I also got a digital battery capacity checker because I didn't have one yet, and I figured I might as well just order one from her because why not? Yeah, I think that's all that's in here. Let me double check. Yep, that is everything. All right, I'm gonna take these out of their little plastic bags to get a better look. Okay, so here is everything out. Start with the tray. There's a little Fix logo on the side. So basically this is magnetic. I don't know if it'll, oh, you can kind of tell. I don't think it's super duper magnetic, but that'll be nice to keep screws in there and loose metallic things. This does a couple of different things. I'm not sure exactly what. Oh, it's like double. So you can measure things, like the screw or whatever. And then I think also pull screws out, and yeah. And then this is the sharp thing, which I think is called a reamer. I'm not entirely sure, but this will be useful for cutting holes. And then this is the battery capacity thing. But there's the side. Has some buttons. And then it also comes with a little instruction thing. So yeah, so that is everything. And yeah, I just want to thank the RC Girl for coming out with this stuff right as I was sort of looking for it. So convenient, and happy to support a small business. So yeah, have a great day. Bye.